This is not only changing the Bitcoin industry, but it's changing the whole world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, wherever you are on this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video. Welcome to the Bitcoin family channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. Short but powerful video today. Short news item, 3 amazing charts and an inspirational quote. That will be all. Very busy day. Let's jump into the first very exciting news now. Bam! The news for today, guys, is about AI employees. Yes, AI bots are taking over all of your jobs. I've been already stating this since like 2017 when I wrote my first book about our Bitcoin adventure, about Bitcoin, blockchain and life, guys. That is why I always said to all of you, I am going to prepare my children for the future and not for the past. I believe that the schooling system is preparing kids for the past. That's why we took them out of the schooling system and into the school of life. Because we knew, or we believed, and by now knew, that the world was changing. We don't need that sort of education anymore that the schools are preparing or pushing into your heads. Because that is old-fashioned education, preparing yourself for old-fashioned jobs that won't be there in our near future. Already now we can see that AI bots are taking over all of our jobs. I even started testing now for the Didi community by introducing my first AI bot on the virtual platform, and that AI bot has now a new Twitter account, DidiBamBam21.ai, and that is scrolling the news worldwide, scrolling a couple of accounts that it's following, and based on everything that an AI bot employee finds, it's posting out tweets, it's replying to other people, it's replying to other replies, it's reposting, etc. And yes, like always, I am a little bit ahead with most of these things, and yes, I'm testing these AI employees already, and yes, it's big in the news now, so that's why I want to talk about it today in this video. As you are still believing in the traditional educational system where kids are prepared by memorizing books for the future. All that you can memorize from a book is already there, was from the past. Let's start to look into the future. How is this future gonna look? What kind of jobs will be there? What will be the next 10 to 20 years of development when it comes to people even having a job? Maybe we won't have any jobs. Maybe we will all depend on a universal basic income if we don't have an own capital. Maybe you should now prepare your kids for that future and make them that smart that they will have a shitload of AI employees that will do their online jobs and that will earn them money. And I know that most of people watching this video now will be, yeah, you know, AI can take over, maybe AI will take over humanity, blah, blah, blah. It's not good now to go all into AI. Guys, we said the same about the internet. Nah, that's scary, nobody's gonna use it, we can't do that, man. That automation is gonna take all our jobs. We went all in. Then we started to say that also about blockchain and Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Nah, decentralization of certain projects or certain like trajectories is not good, let's not do it. We are all in. And now this AI phase is arriving, where AI is outsmarting human beings. Like you can already treat ChatGPT as your assistant, which saves you a shitload of money, as ChatGPT costs you $20 a month. An assistant will cost you $3,000 a month, and the assistant won't do the job as perfect as ChatGPT is doing. Yes, the assistant has a little bit emotional more value, but it also has a lot of human being problems. Like I need my holiday, like my kids are sick, they need to go to school. Yes, I need this, I need more. But AI doesn't talk back like that. AI doesn't request anything. AI just does what you tell it to do, and then it will give you the result that you need without you even needing to correct everything, because the grammar, etc., all will be okay. So please understand that AI for the next 10 to 20 years is going to be a very important thing to invest in. So if there is combinations of AI and blockchain, do invest in those tokens. They have a real use case. They have a value that other pump and dump projects don't have. Like certain tokens or meme coins or NFTs, they just don't have value. They have only the value of the community. Now, if you will find a token that has the value of the community, the value of AI, and the value of blockchain, if you combine those three, I think that would be a very strong and powerful investment. So let me know down below if you know one of these tokens that is combining community, AI, and blockchain, and in total, then, oh, that I can't do that sign. I know that's a very bad sign, I think. AI, blockchain, and the community, guys. And let me know down below. Maybe I will invest in that one as well. Let's jump into the Bitcoin charts now to show you what is happening today. Then, as I don't have too much time to do the Bitcoin charts today, guys, I will just tell you what I think that's gonna happen next. I think that Bitcoin just went again above 100K. I think Bitcoin feels very comfortable around that 100K level. Does that mean we can't fall back to 90K or even 88K? No, that doesn't mean that we can't fall back anymore there. I believe that Bitcoin is in a sideways movement from 90K to 100K to 90K to 100K. Hopefully we push it above 102K to maybe 111K would be a beautiful number to make social media posts off, 111. But if not, we can even fall back to 90K or 88K. This sideways beautiful movement is there for short-term volatility, and short-term volatility is amazing for the traders among us, so you should be trading it. If you don't know how to trade it, go to the Didi community, there you will be taught how to trade it, or use the Bitcoin family indicator setup where we tell you when to buy and when to sell. Very simple, go to our website and you will find all that information, guys. Now, the long term, it's still exactly what I said a couple of years ago. I told you already a couple of years ago, the bear market bottom will be there and the bull market top will be in 2025. And I know that last year a lot of you people started to discuss with me, no, the bull market top is going to be in 2024. I told you already the whole 2024, the top is not going to be in 2024, it's going to be in 2025. And still people kept discussing with me, nah, it'll be in 2024. Guys, that was just the start. 2025 is going to be the bull market year. January, normally between 7 and 15, we have a small dip. Now we already had the dip with Christmas, so probably we are recovering from that dip, hopefully to 111K, hopefully we pull back again a little bit so that all the altcoins can finally start the real altcoin season. A couple of altcoins already made a new all-time high, like Sui, for example, made already an all-time high. Ethereum didn't make an all-time high yet. That's really strange because we are lagging 12 months behind Bitcoin now. Last bull cycle, when Bitcoin made the first all-time high, like 64K in April, Ethereum made an all-time high in November. So that's like 7 months or 8 months later. At the moment, Bitcoin already made an all-time high in April 2024. We are almost 10 months later now, and Ethereum hasn't even made an all-time high. In 2017, Ethereum was only lagging behind 1 month. When Bitcoin made an all-time high, Ethereum came 1 month later. Bitcoin in December 2017, Ethereum in January 2018. So what is happening now exactly? Why is Ethereum not making an all-time high? I believe it's the following. Everyone in this world has a bag of money. You have a bag of money, I have a bag of money. Now my bag of money is all in Bitcoin, your bag of money, let's say you have 100K. You now need to divide that 100K between a couple of crypto projects. Most of you say, let's do 50% in Bitcoin and 50% we divide on altcoins. Now, 50% of 100K is 50K. 2 bull cycles back and 1 bull cycle back, you would have said 50K, which altcoins? Ethereum is very safe, let's do like 40K in Ethereum and 10K in Dogecoin. But nowadays, there are so many other cryptocurrencies that people are dividing that 50K among those multiple cryptocurrencies. 10K Ethereum, 10K Solana, 10K Chainlink, 10K whatever currency it is, Dogecoin. So there is less money flowing directly in Ethereum, but also in all the competitions. So the spread is becoming bigger, which means it will become way more difficult for Ethereum to make a new all-time high, as people are not all in on Ethereum anymore. Still, a shitload of people are all in on Bitcoin, even governments, institutional investors, but not anymore in Ethereum, as there is too many other blockchains. The base blockchain, you can invest in Sui, you can invest in Solana, you can invest in Chainlink, Polkadot. There is too many to mention, and you're all buying a little bit of that and then that, so not buying a big bag of Ethereum anymore. That is why Ethereum is at the moment almost lagging behind 10 or 11 months behind the Bitcoin all-time high. So that is why my target for Ethereum is also not 10K, but only like 5 to 6K for this bull market. Okay? Hope that is clear. For Bitcoin, same target still, guys. The target will be in September 2025 between 120 and 160. Sorry for all the noise, they're working, they are doing construction. I don't have time to go somewhere else to record this video, but that target for me, 120 to 160, is still where I'm going to take profit, guys. Am I not taking profit at 110? Yes, I will also be taking profit at 110, but just a little bit profit, like 2.5%. At 120, maybe 5%. At 130, maybe another 5%. At 140, yes, that will go to 10%. 150, another 20%. You know, that's how I shuffle my dollar cost everything out of Bitcoin in that gap. And why would I be doing that? Because I believe there will always be a 60% crash down back to 60K levels somewhere in Bitcoin in the bear market, where I'll be buying back a shitload more Bitcoins than I sold them at 160, for example, guys. Could we go to 200K or 300K? Yes, we can. I would also be happy to see that, because I still have a hodl bag that I will never sell, and that hodl bag will completely grow with all those predictions to 300 and 500K, and that is my pension fund that will keep growing, growing, growing. You need to diversify your portfolio. That's the most important thing of Bitcoin. And I don't want to show you any charts today, because this is the only thing you need to understand. You need to play the 4-year cycle if you're an investor. You buy near the bear market bottom and you sell near the bull market top. Not the exact top, not the exact bottom. You just multiply your capital by dollar cost averaging out near the top, dollar cost averaging in near the bottom. That's the only strategy you need to understand. And if you want to understand this strategy a little bit better, then come join us at didibambam.me, follow our courses, get the VIP signals, get the VIP group, get the VIP access to the meetups like the one now in Thailand, etc., 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 guys. That were the charts for today. Please understand the 4-year cycle of Bitcoin. Now, let's jump into the inspirational quote. The inspirational quote today is again the second lesson from the 4 agreements. The second lesson from the 4 agreements is, don't take everything too personal. Whatever other people say about you, don't take that personal. That is their opinion, built on their beliefs, built on the agreements that made them the person they are. It's completely based on their agreements, not on your agreements, not on your vision about life, not about what you think about yourself. It's just them. So whatever they say, whatever they state, never take that too personal. Don't take anything in the world too personal. Even all the stuff that you think bad or negatively about yourself, don't take that too personal, because that comes forward from all the old-fashioned beliefs and agreements you made with yourself that we are going to break now after reading the 4 agreements. So in life, don't take other people's opinion too personal. Whatever they say, don't suck it up as a real opinion, because that could damage you from the inside. If they say you're too fat, that's their opinion, or maybe their weakness, or maybe their insecurity of themselves being too fat, but don't see it as something personal. Don't take it personal, because that will make you a different person. That will make you believe, oh, I'm too fat, I'm too fat, I'm too fat. And that will give you a very negative spiral and will make you depressive and will make you become fat at all. Don't focus on all those people's opinions. Don't focus what they have to say. Focus on what you think. Focus on what you believe. Focus on your worth. That needs to be impeccable. Bring positivity to all of those people. Bring positivity to the mirror that you're looking at. Bring positivity to yourself and everyone else that you love. And don't take everything that all the people say too personal. It's their weakness. It's their issue. It's their problem. It's their reaction. If somebody reacts very negative to you, that's his or her problem. She probably is not satisfied with herself or with the life she's living, and that's why she's grumpy. Just don't take it personal. It's their problem, based on their agreements that they made with themselves in the past, not on your agreements that you're making now with yourself. You stop with taking all the shit that other people say personal, and you focus on your beliefs, your goals, your loves, your impeccable word, and yes, you're doing your best as you can. Now, that was everything for today. Short but powerful. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. What do you think about the news, the Bitcoin stuff, and of course, also the inspirational quote. Thank you for watching. Wish you an amazing day. See you tomorrow again with a normal video. Bam.